Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to solve your problem of splitting the fare while riding a Uber with your friend. So basically this is a tough task, but I'm going to break it to you in simple parts with relevant screenshots and screen recording. So first of all, you just need to open the Uber app, open it, let it load. After it loads, you need to simply just order a cab. For that, you need to go on this search bar, click on that, set your current location, set where do you want to go. I'm going to select Banjara Market, Gurgaon. Now you just have to order a normal cab. Okay, by seeing its ride capacity, how many people can ride it, choose it, confirm pickup. After confirming the pickup, what you need to do is, when the ride will come up to you, you just have to go for the ride and add a passenger or whatever you want to do. You If you want to add a friend, you can do that also. After that, while riding the Uber, you are going to see this option, riding with someone, split fare. Then you have to click on split fare. After that, it's going to ask you with whom you want to invite, with whom you want to split the money. So basically here you add the phone number of the person or you search it from your contact. After this, he will be invited and the remaining amount will be shown to the other person and also to you. So this is how you can split the fare in Uber. Basically this is done to make your things easier, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.